And as what you can also see is that this is what Google is favoring. When I type in this search here, this is being promoted more than a Yelp listing right over here. So again, kind of going back to the question, what do I think about Yelp? I think you obviously want to be nurturing Google as much as what you can.
I love that, though. It's giving you a paint by numbers of how to maximize Google. It's telling you, when I look at a site, I care about these things. That's how I decide if they're good or not good. It's telling you what to do. So I think just do the AI search in Google, and you get, in a sense, like the black box of all the things that it wants you to say in order to put your content on top.
You know, I wanted to talk about social media next. I'm going to come back to that, though, guys. So social media is now the next layer in terms of our framework and of our pyramid. But since we're obviously now kind of clearly on this AI with Google, I think it's really, really important to understand how the Google algorithm has changed and shifted, and actually seeing some real website examples that you can start to model and understand as to really how your practice can be much better positioned with your content strategy as well, too.